Okay, folks, the next report in my list, which is one of my daily favorites also, is what I call momentum stocks. All right. The momentum report shows stocks with short-term momentum. First of all, we limit the RSI, the relative strength indicator, to 85, nothing above 85, because higher RSI stocks tend to have pullbacks, right? So these are stocks that have momentum, but they have certainly not reached their potential. We set our confidence level to 90, all right? And then we look for 1, 3, and 5-day gains and increasing volumes without being overbought. Because as you know, overbought conditions tend to lead to pullbacks, right? Stocks that show sustained positive price movement plus rising volume plus a controlled RSI have historically had a higher probability of continued strength in the near term, next 3 to 10 trading days, right? So these may not be long-term stocks. These are stocks that you can buy and make money on in the short term, all right? This is a short-term momentum scanner, not a long-term value or growth strategy. It is designed to help identify stocks that are currently in motion with institutional buying interest. All right. So let's pull this report up. All right. So as you know from previous ones, all you have to do is click right here. All right. And you're going to get a long list. So there's a lot of momentum stocks out there right now. All right. Uh, First of all, we look back 60 days of information. We limit the RSI to 85. We are excluding any high or extreme overbought stocks. All right. So as you can see from the list here, AIP, we put them in alphabetical order right on down the list. So there's quite a few stocks here that have great momentum right now, where the 1, 5, 3-day prices are rising plus volumes are rising, and they are either normal in terms of overbought. That means they're not overbought, or they're mildly overbought. There is no highly overbought or extremely overbought in this list. So you have a good opportunity to actually make some money on these stocks. And the RSI is nice, but it's not over 85. Right? That's very important. Right? Because once they get to 85, they have a very short lifespan, typically, right? So um, this is a great report. I look at it every day. I mean, I'm already in a number of these reports. If we go down the list here, like BKR, I'm in BKR. Crocs, I'm in Crocs. Frog, I'm in Frog. GHM, I'm in GHM. Highcroft Mining, I'm in Highcroft Mining. It started to bounce the other day. I love it. All right. MSGS, which is the Madison Square Garden stock, right on down the list here. So there's a bunch of great stocks in this list, right? Which had a pullback and has been recovering very nicely, right? That'll about do it for this. Hope this helps you out. But just another great report to help you identify stocks that are growing that will make you a more profitable trader. And of course, as always, do your own research. It is your responsibility. It's your money, your responsibility. We just help point you in the right direction and you take it from there. All right. And at the same time, we help make you smarter about stocks. All right. So thanks, everyone.